be doing a retro sort of 70s inspired colorful makeup look. So I'm going to start with this turquoise green shade called Seaform from Violet Voss. Buffing this out. I'm going to be adding a white shadow just to sort of turn it into a more pastel shade. Taking this brilliant blue shade, I'm going to be mixing that green shade with white again, and this time I'll be applying that to the inner corners of the eye. These kinds of shades tend to have a lot of fallout, so we're going to clean this up after, but right now I'm just going to blend that all into the lower lash line. And I think I want the outer blues to be a little brighter, so I'm going to go with a bit more blue and just add a bit more intensity. I'm going to go with this eyeliner eye brightening beige just to brighten up the lower waterline. You can also do this with a blue or green turquoise shade that you have, but I don't have that today, so I'm just going to use what I have. I'm going to do the base, and I'm using Marcel Flawless Extreme Last, an excellent foundation for sensitive skin. It also helps to create a sort of matte effect. So I'm just dotting that, focusing mainly on the center of the face. Now, taking a very fine brush, I'm going to be lining the eyes with a black liner. Now, you could do your entire eye, but because of my eye shape, I'm not going to do that. For me, I'm just going to be doing about half of the eye or less. And I think I want to use a bit of liquid liner just to enhance the liner and create a tiny wing. And then I'm going to fill in my brows as they're a little bit light. So I don't have very thick brows, or they're somewhat thick, but the color of my brow is very light, so I tend to create the illusion of a bit of a thicker brow. And then I will use this brow gel from L'Oreal Paris, which is Brow Stylist Boost and Set. And this adds another sort of bit of volume to the brow, which I don't have. And also sets the brow, and it just looks really nice when it's finished. And then for bronzer, I'm going to use the Too Faced in Milk Chocolate. And I'm using this big brush. And then for blush, I'm going to use this Oh Baby Pink from Revlon. It's sort of like a peachy pink, which is not too dissimilar from the natural shade of my skin when it would blush. And something I like to do, and I've noticed this sort of in 70's looks, is that they bring the blush up quite high, so base almost to the eye, and blend it out, and it kind of just creates this sort of baby soft pink look. I just think it's adorable. A little bit onto the nose. I also like to bring the blush down here. Just find it balances the face out completely. And even a tiny bit into the hairline, I find makes the look a lot more natural and like it's just your face instead of makeup. And finally, I will be doing lips, and I'm just going to be using a bit of this Blistex Daily Conditioning Treatment for lips. I've already used a bit of balm before I applied the makeup, and I will be using this lip pencil from MAC. And I've had this for so long that I don't remember the name of it. It is a nude color, so if anyone can figure it out, but it's a beautiful shade. And I always blot off the excess. Now you can use a lighter nude lipstick look, but for me, I don't like the look of light lipstick. I just find that it makes my face look a bit more muddied, but if it works for you, then go ahead. To complete this look, I'm just going to go in with a bit of powder just to ensure that it's mattified a bit and blends in sort of seamlessly. And this is the final look. It's got a bit of that retro 70s vibe, which I like, and the shadow when you first apply it looks a bit bold, but once everything is tied together, it's actually quite a soft and sort of powdery look, and I really like it, and I hope you enjoyed it as well.